Okay, week 4, day 1. It is the last full week of NaNoWriMo. This is where the women are separated from the girls and the men are separated from the boys. Um, I'm guessing you're struggling as I am. Actually, I'm not struggling now. I was struggling more in the beginning. Typically, this is when I hit my wall and I'm tired and I've run out of plot because I'm not one who writes uh, descriptively, and I realize that. But this time around, I struggled in the beginning, and I'm still a day behind. I was 2 days, I caught up, and then because I caught up, I thought, take some time off, and now I'm behind again. But I think I'll catch up by November 30th. Anyway, this is also Thanksgiving week, which is difficult, and I actually had a video on traveling, but I'm hoping that you're not writing while traveling, but I'm hoping you're not really traveling because, let's face it, uh, coronavirus. um, and anyway, uh, some of my motivation that I found is music. Music gets me every time. Now, I have to admit, we had a couple of warm days, so I was able to go outside and write, which was nice. My daughter and I went to a local coffee shop, which I know, coronavirus, you shouldn't. We took all the precautions, and I'm happy to say this coffee shop does too, so not a lot of people were there. There was actually, at one point, we were the only ones in the coffee shop, and we only stayed for an hour, and that got me going and got my story running. The second thing that, or I should say third, so music, getting outside my regular writing space, and then the third one was I went for a long bike ride. You might want to try a walk, and during the bike ride, I, worked on some of the issues that I was having with the story, and I came up with some great answers that I have this morning, a ton to write. I just plethora of stuff that I can keep the story going. So yes, hang in there. If you are way behind, don't worry about it, keep going. Use the momentum of NaNoWriMo and the Nano groups and the website and the forums to keep you writing, because even if you come out of this with only 20,000 words, that's 20,000 words that you didn't have at the beginning of November. So huzzah, keep it up. And you, like I said, use the energy from this month to keep going. Okay. So, last month, I'm going to try and do a video next Sunday when there's only one day left. And I'm hoping I'll be caught up. Oh, Thanksgiving recommendations. Get up early, right? Try to put in extra words between now and Thanksgiving so you're not so far behind. Or plan on Black Friday or Saturday. I forget what that small business Saturday, I think it is. Small business Saturday. Spend extra time. Schedule in extra time to write then too. Okay. So this will end on Cyber Monday. Okay. So happy Thanksgiving for those in the States and those who aren't, but I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, bye.